credit all fools, the Alex Color Hole. I can't pencil and eraser. And time a mosquito has taken too many precious lives. Mothers, fathers, children, families across our communities have felt the pain of malaria. But today, we stand together. Governments rising with policies and support.
la fusi Alex Colawole.